guys, Scott, Florida Structural Group, Project Manager. We're here at Kings Crown on Sanibel, Florida, after the hurricane. During some investigative work by the engineer, they found out that the parapet wall was compromised due to the winds of the storm. So they've asked us to help them rebuild the wall. So we've demolished the whole wall on building 3. We're starting to install rebar, block, and then there'll be a cement cap all the way around, tying it all in together. Check us out for further updates.